Good evening, everybody. First of all, I want to thank Stephen and Jenny for their award. It is most appreciated. We have been with you guys for many, many years, and one thing that I've learned is it's not only your customers that make you a good company, it's the people that work for you.
Thank you.
And seeing today the amount of people that have actually got long-term service awards, it makes a person very proud. It also says something about your company, how you look after your people. And I think that is something that customers really appreciate. Not just the quality, your costs that bring us back, but it's how you treat us every single time that we come back. So I would like to thank you again. It is an honor and a privilege to be here tonight.